Welcome back to another food review.
Tonight, we're reviewing San Jose's.
I got a peach punch, and I got a torta with lettuce, tomato, cheese,
A slab of refried beans.
and avocado. And I also got some extra crispy fries.
Let's try it.
And rate it 1 through 10. Let's go. Fry.
I just give these fries a 10 out of 10.
It's definitely
10 out of 10. Let's take one more.
Let's try the torta. This side.
Flavorful. Delicious. Easy 9 out of 10.
Lunch score 9.5 out of 10. Flat. Don't let nobody steal your joy. And you guys have a blessed night. Peace.